gonna do an unboxing of the FULBEVY glass water bottle that is BPA free. And actually, of all the things that this has, right, that's the most important one for us men because the BPA is a hormone disrupting chemical that we need to avoid. So it has, right, all the usual characteristics of a good water bottle. And now I'm going to show you what comes in the water bottle. So these are the tools to clean it, right? So that you can put it in there real nice. And these are the tools to clean the straw because it comes with both a plastic straw and a metal straw. And a little history, and the reason that these bottles and these straws come with a cleaning solution, right? A solution, not the solution, but something that would solve the problem of cleaning, is because when they started doing these reusable straws in the 70s, a lot of people started developing throat infections because they didn't clean thoroughly the straws and the little nooks and crannies of these bottles, especially kids. So that's why eventually now they started bringing the bottles, the good quality products start bringing the solution for you to clean the unit. So it has this lid, which is a reusable lid that is more of a sporty use to it. It's a lid within the lid, so that way you don't have to open the whole bottle. Or if you prefer, it has this other lid, which is the classical plastic-free lid that you're going to be able to use now. Let's take a look at this bottle and how beautiful it is. And it's glass. This has the measurements of how much water or how much liquid is in there. Now, one thing that you need to be careful with glass bottles is that they break easily. So, yes, this rubbery surface protects it, but it has these open surfaces that when they hit something solid, it's going to break. So, if you're clumsy, maybe this is not the product for you. Right? Not going to lie. But if you like the look and that is more important for you, then yeah, at all means, this is a beautiful looking bottle with the health benefits of having a BPA glass bottle with all the tools that you need to clean it.